be May.
The Big Max Morning Show.
Eric, we're entering the season of giving.
Yes, we are.
Maybe you could make up for your mishap with the.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency or dangerous situation, official messages and directions would have followed the alert tones. This test is brought to you by the Florida Division of Emergency Management, the Florida Association of Broadcasters, and your local broadcast station or cable provider. This concludes the required monthly test.
You're purchasing a vehicle, going the wrong way is anywhere but Bartow. That means if you're